All right, I just wanted to make another video here about this question here where it says the square root of x squared plus 12x plus 36. So let's just let's work through that one really quick. Let me grab my stylus out of here. There it is. All right. So we're going to have our square root sign, and then under that we said x squared plus, no, I forgot what it was. Sorry guys, one more second. 12x plus 36. 12x plus 36. All right, so we have to think to ourselves, what could we put in here that would have an identical number over here? Because we're looking for a square root, right? So we know that 6 plus 6 is 12, and 6 times 6 is 36. So we're going to put in x plus 6 here, right? And then that is the same as this, x plus 6 squared, right? And then we know that these are going to cancel each other out, right? We know that the square root of something squared is just going to be equal to itself. So our answer is going to be x plus 6. That's how we do that one. Thanks, guys.